might be able to confirm that.
Great, thanks.
Station 2 from Marijuana.
Good.
National Weather Service Lubbock has reissued a tornado warning. This tornado warning is going to be for the Delvin area. We've got intense circulation here.
Yes, sir. I'm just now getting in the rain-free base at this time. I'm southbound 1037 and getting baseball off hill still, but I am seeing a tightrope rotation lowering, but I can't confirm it on the ground this time.
Okay, Command 2, what's your location?
We're between the first and the second Delvin cutoff. We can't tell anything yet. It's getting severely rain wrapped. All we have is severe wind and golf ball size hill.
Okay, y'all going down towards Delvin.
10-4 headed that way.